how to get a copyright songs on YouTube. Normally you can just upload your video with any other website or any art songs, then after 2 to 3 months you are going to get a copyright on your video. So today I'm going to teach you how you can get a free copyright songs without no copyright within YouTube, and YouTube, they are going to support you with that. So especially when you use anything within YouTube, they are going to try to promote you by recommend your content to different audience. So especially if you are doing vlog, if you are a vlogger, if you do vlog, you can use someone's songs on your video, especially those artists. If you use their songs, after 2 months to 3 months, 4 months, you are going to get a copyright for your video. And if you try, like, you get the option from YouTube, like to select the place where they just highlighted for you, like this area is the area the song is playing. So you go two options: to mute totally the sound, or to just cut that piece. So you think like, if I cut, maybe my video is not going to make sense, so let me mute the sound. And if you mute the sound, so the viewers, when they are going to watch your video and they reach that area, you mute your video. What's going on here? We don't hear anything, we just see walking, all this stuff. So on that time your video is going to drop, because people, they are not going to stick and continue watching. So I'm going to teach you where you can get a free copyright YouTube music, where they just give people free, and they're not going to say like it's copyright or this belong by YouTube. And anything belong by YouTube, they are not going to return after 1 year, 2 years to say like we are going to copyright. Never ever. So make sure, take something like this, leave about some places you are going to screen record, or you go on Google, you record on Google, or you go some apps, then you are going to take. Those are not granted that you can use forever, but on this one 100% you can use without not getting any copyright. So I'm going to show you where you can go and get all those songs. You click on your profile. When you click on your profile, you go to YouTube Studio. You click on YouTube Studio. Once you click on your YouTube Studio, okay, when you click on your YouTube Studio, it's gonna bring you here. When you came here, you scroll here, you see this area, you keep scrolling until you see where it's written audio library. So you click here. Once you click here, you are going to see all type of songs that you want for your video. All these songs are no copyright. You see all these songs, these belong by YouTube, it's free. You can take all this. Okay, so I don't want to use the sound. Let me mute the sound. I don't want the sound. So all these are free from YouTube. These all are free. These all songs, you see this one, all this. So let me stop this one, keep playing. So all these songs until, let me keep going. You see it's 1,480 songs. So it's a lot songs, so you got a chance to do that. So guys, we are going to upload one of these. So they go where they say download. You can download, you see, you can download this. All are 2024, they just see published, so you can download. So we are going to pick any. Okay, let me look which one look nice little bit. Okay, on here, let me release the sound. I want to listen. 1, 2, let me look. 1. Okay, okay, we'll download this one, guys. We download this one. You see here to the download, we click here to the download. Okay, when we click here to the download, it's gonna download. You see it's here. So it's already downloaded. Let's go in my phone, on my computer, just save there. So what I'm going to do, I will go and open on here. The song is this one, you see. So I'm gonna play for you. Double click. You see, So this, let me add the volume. You see, so this is from YouTube and is free. So okay, so when you get this song, you download like this. I'm gonna open my Premiere Pro. Okay, I go jobs here. I'm gonna take the song. Okay, on this one, so you see on here, I grab this phone and I put here to the bottom of my video. So I'm gonna use this one to my video I'm doing now. Okay, it's here. Let me return start. So the sound is this one you hear now. So when it's going like this, you see. So if you want to minimize with the sound that you are using, so you go here on Audi, you go there to the Audi, you see the sound is here. So if I keep say play, I'm gonna add here or I'm gonna reduce from here. So that's where you can just add and reduce the sound. So if you want, so me, I don't want to use the sound anyway on this one. So I'm gonna stop from there. I don't want to use, I go back. Then that's how you can get, if you are doing vlog videos, these are the free you are going to get free, and you can hear from here. This is the song we download now from YouTube, and you're not going to get a copyright. Okay, so I have to stop this one. Then I want to delete this one, so I don't like it. I don't use this type of music in my background. I got my own one, so I created, I just use mine. But this one, guys, I was trying to show you if you are just doing vlogs and you are just looking background music, because there was some content you can't just do it without not any background music, because it's gonna look like a little bit boring. So you go to YouTube library where you can get a free songs without no copyright, without no anything. No one is gonna claim, belong by YouTube. So those are the free one. Try to do that. Try to do that now, and you are going to get the result from there. Thank you very much, guys. Please, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and comment, and don't forget to turn on notification bell for more updated video. Guys, if you got any question you want me to do video for you, or you are asking me how to do this, I want to do this, go to my comment section, write for me, Diamond Shot, I need to know how to do this and this. Then I will just do video, or you can follow me on my other platform. Then I will tell you how you can get me, and I will try to support you. Thank you very much, guys. See you next video. Bye bye.